Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CNAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't even state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but then you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 41 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 41, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to actually stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period moving average. Moving being the keyword, because I get it. The price is way up there, that line's way down there. But as Friday and then next week play out, that line will move itself higher and higher. So a very basic way to judge the health of the overall move, that right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 41 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance going forward, in the near term, it's all about that pink line there, which on my chart represents the very famous 200-period moving average. So you can see the price actually temporarily got up above it, but then that didn't last long, and then the price fell back below it. So keep a close eye on that in the event the price can push up through that level, though, out of curiosity. All right, so here are some annotations from a long time ago when I did a video on this one. So it's looking like that's essentially a blue sky breakout. Yeah, so really that pink line there is a blue sky breakout because the next level of resistance, not until up at that gap close location at 70. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price breaks below there, I'm not saying that within 10 minutes the price is going to be up at 70. My point is that just from the technical perspective, due to that gap down, that has created quite a big kind of no man's land right here where there just simply isn't anything going on, which creates an interesting scenario. So we'll see what happens with it, but overall, no doubt about it, huge volume, nice price action. It'll be fun to see how this closes out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.